Hello everyone, my name is Luke and welcome to Banking Help SA.
This is how to make immediate payment on Capitec App. Make sure you watch until the end so you do not miss any steps. If your app layout looks slightly different after an update, the steps are still the same. Just follow along and look for the same options. First, open the Capitec app and log in to your account. Once you are on your main dashboard, tap Transact at the bottom of the screen. Next, tap Pay Beneficiary. From here, select the beneficiary you want to pay. If you have not added the person yet, tap Add Beneficiary and follow the prompts to enter their banking details. After selecting the beneficiary, enter the amount you want to pay. Then look for the payment type option and select Immediate Payment. Keep in mind that an additional fee may apply for immediate payments. Once everything looks correct, confirm the payment and approve the transaction using your app authentication. The money will then be processed immediately to the recipient's bank account. And that's it. That's how you make immediate payment on Capitec app. If this helped you, remember to like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides.